Hi folks, welcome back. The two amigos, they don't seem to want to go out, but I thought it could be the wheel sensors, but I returned back to the brake light switch, which is a $9.99 Chinesian one. Now, when I took it out and pressed it, the lights went out. Alright for a little bit, and they come on, and I've just pumped them, and they're out at the moment. Now I'm wondering if it's the actual switch, not everything I've been through. So, with great expense, I've turned around and got this, a proper Landrover one, which is £39, and hopefully that will do it. There we go, made in Malta. So, we're going to take the Chinesian one out and put this in and see if it does drop. So I will set you up and see what happens. Then we'll go for a little test drive and see if they stay out or come on, because if they come on again then it might be the wheel sensors. Can't see it being anything else apart from this brake light switch, because I've been through everything that has been said, apart from the wheel sensors. So if it does come on, then I will change the wheel sensors and see how we go from there, which will be in another video. So this is just an update on the Two Amigos saga. So without further ado, like, subscribe to the channel and all that jazz. Give us some hypes. Give us some hypes on the old likes and everything. That would help me out a lot. So I'll get you set up and we'll put this proper, genuine Landrover brake light switch on and just see what happens. So back in a second, guys. Right, just before we get it set up, just to show you, as you can see, we turn the ignition on and the lights go out. Turn her on, all okay, as you can see. Shut the door, you see, press the brake. Everything's alright, you see, nothing. Not coming on at all. But get a couple of miles up the road and they will come on after a bit of braking. So I don't know if it's a faulty switch or not, but we'll soon find out. So let's set you up. So yes. Right, we're looking under the dashboard up here. As you can see, I've got you all set up. I can see what you're looking at on your phone there while recording it. So, we can get to it just there. There it is. So it's, and turn, twist and turn. There it is. You see that bit there. And there's a switch thing there, which we can take off. Oh, that's the sweep position. Yes, it is a bit awkward. Oh, there it is. Alright, let's take them wires off. We know the things are. You press it, it should come off. When I'm not filming it, it comes off so easily. There's the thingy. There it is. There it is. Right, so there it is. That is. Oh, let's get in there. There's the Chinesian one. And I'll compare that with the appropriate Landrover one in the bag here. Not a lot of difference. Both looking the same. There you go. That one's £39 odd, nearly 40 quid. That one just under a tenner. So we'll chuck that one away and try that one. At least the other Chinese one will be okay as a spare. You see, it feels better as well. It feels tougher. Right, so what we do, we're going to stick that back up there. Oh, you see, Lord, let's have a look. Right, let's get you up in there. I'm underneath here as well. Where's the old one? There's the old. So now, there's that one down there. It's a little bit. There we go. A little bit weird to get in there. It does go in there eventually. It's a bit dark, so let's get it in the right position. There we go. working in it, so it will drop it eventually. Where's she got? Should be near enough here. There we go. That's it. That wasn't it. There we go. Oh, we're in. Right, we're in now. We're in. There's the thing. It sits different as well. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Oh, try and get there. Right, we're in. Oh, you can see that elephant there. There we go. So that's the proper Landrover brake light switch now in. So we'll give it a try. I'll reset you up. Oh, this thing out. Yeah, I'll reset you up and see you in a second. As you can see, you're right up underneath there. Right, see you in a second, folks. Aha. Right, so that's the new Chinesian one I've just taken out, the $9.99 part, but I'm going to keep that as a spare, so if in a couple of years that one goes wrong, I've got something I can slip in there just as a backup. So we'll see if what happens on the dash. So I'll switch you around and we'll turn her on. There we go. Right, we're all on. Yeah. And we're pressing this pedal. Now, I think, and that looks promising, because sometimes that will come on by now. So I think, set you up, we'll give it a quick test drive up the road. So we'll see what happens. Will they come on or will they stay off? Fingers crossed that they're going to stay off, because they've been plaguing me for the last few weeks. So, don't go away, back in 2 ticks. See you in a second. It's alright looking at my phone, because I've got you on my phone now. I can see exactly what you're looking at. That's one good thing about these DJIs. You can do it all from here, like an editing suite. So, right, got you all set up there. I hope you can see alright. You can see the dash. So what I'm going to do, start her up. All gone out. So now we've changed the brake light switch for a proper Landrover. The genuine article now. Yeah, it costs a little bit more. Hopefully the lights won't come on and it's going to cause a lot less stress rather than me. But I have gone through everything to eliminate it. So say if it happens to you, at least you got an idea what's what. And yes, I will do change the wheel sensors. Now I've got them. Then if it is them, then you can see that'll be in a later video. So let's give this a little go up the road. Right. I will do a video later of living with a Freelander. We've had it 3 years, so I'm not going to say too much, but I will do a video, a little drive, like a review video. Well, so far so good. Yeah. She's definitely got some power. So we'll take it for a little drive. And I'll stop. If we can do some braking, I know roads we can go down. And I'll test it with the brakes. So far, so good. Yeah, it's a lovely spring day today. Sun's out. Oh, summer is on the way. There are more vids coming up. We've got the pump to do, so I'm doing little bits of filming at the moment. There's loads of stuff coming up, so please like, subscribe to the channel, give the videos a thumbs up, hype them, because it will just help me out, and the more I can the more you do, the more I can do. Otherwise, if people ain't watching it, I will just keep it to myself. So by now the lights would have come on, but absolutely nothing. So I think we've sorted the two amigos. We're going to do some braking in a minute. No, nothing at all. Even the switch, I've got the old one there. There it is. Even that feels loose. That's a brand new one. Whereas the Landrover one's a lot more tighter. Yeah, just braking and nothing at all. They're off. Well, I've got the feeling we might have cracked this. That means that's the end of the saga. Why are the two amigos on? It was all down to like, I usually like buying the genuine part, a bit like the fuel pressure switch. It's a genuine Bosch part. Yeah, it costs more. It's worth it. A few pound more. It's going to save a lot of hassle and stress and buying two of the same sort of thing, if you know what I mean, if you're buying cheap. That was a £9.99. Got me out of trouble. Thought it'd be alright, but obviously not. So we've stuck the proper Landrover brake light switch. So always try and go for the proper stuff, proper name stuff. You know it's going to work then. It's a bit like fencing. You go to Jackson's, you know you're going to get a proper fence. It's going to last. You go to Wickes, it's going to last 2 years. That sort of thing. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with this. But yeah, we've got lots of different things coming up on the channel soon. I'll pull over in a minute. Yeah, we've got engines coming up, walk behind tractors. As you can see, we've done the Great Tommy Sleep Out. There's a couple more videos which I've done on that, which should be behind this one. And yeah, I'll keep it a bit varied so keeps everybody interested. But soon we're going to have quite a few machine ones. Try and get them out. I'm not doing any shows this year, any rallies. I'm saving them for next year. We got a big thing coming up in the summer, which I'll tell you more about later on. If you subscribe to the channel, you'll also hear all about it. Rosie's going on tour. That's all I'm going to say. Rosie on tour. So yeah, we're doing a big long road trip. So we're breaking down there. With lots of braking down there. I'm doing it on purpose so I can use it more. It is the brake light switch. So that is definitely the brake light switch. So I'll find somewhere to pull over in a minute, and then that will be the end of the video. So anyway, at least you're getting a little ride in the Freelander instead of seeing me repairing it. Runs like a dream with all the stuff I've done on it. So check everything else I've done on the Freelander. And I've improved this car so much since I bought it. It really is running well. It's doing over 45 to the gallon. It's still in four-wheel drive. It's just a perfect car, but you've got to maintain them. So we're going to head up here. Well, now I can stop up here. Ooh, how you can see all this. I've got the new mount with the camera on, so we can do some stuff in the Rosie for our upcoming projects. So yeah, there's so many cars about nowadays, isn't there? Right, round we go. Round we go. It's got to be usually press space down there. Yeah. I'm just going to put in there. Yeah, see the sea's nice and blue. Oh, that's too good. Just be trying to do it quickly. That would do it. So yes, lots of braking that, and it just proves that if you're going for a part, that yeah, the these are alright to get you out of trouble, these Chinesian things, but apart from that, they're a load of rubbish. Landrover part, oh, see it there, that's what you need. So I'm going to end the video there, and I'm going to call this a success. The two amigos have left the building. So I will see you all in another video next week. I'll try and get one out every Friday, 5:30. See you later, guys. Have a lovely week. And remember, like, subscribe, and comment. So, see you all in a future video. Bye-bye. Haha. Two amigos have got.